Hi, second grade. Today you're getting a square piece of paper. It's a dark color, so I want you to put your name on it. I'm using white colored pencil because it really shows up better on the paper. And your grade and your teacher's initial. Then I want you to flip it over. If you need to sharpen your colored pencil today, at your seats are sharpeners that you can use for the colored pencils, and I need you to share. You're going to go into the different sizes that you have at your table, and you're going to share them with the people next to you. They're just a bunch of plates and circular items that you can use to trace your beginning of your mandala corner. So you're going to go in the corner of your idea or your design, and you're going to trace just the edge of the plate. Now my plate here has a little bit of a bumpy edge, but we're going to be putting white paint over these next time, so you don't have to worry whether it's perfect or not. If you do make a major mistake, a lot of times colored pencil will erase if you try hard enough. But like I said, we're going to be painting a little bit over that. Then you're going to find the one with the next size down, and you're going to make another ring. You want the space in between your rings to be at least an inch so that you can put designs in the middle of them. When we looked at pictures of Tibetan mandalas, there are all sorts of beautiful designs. Your rings do not have to be all the same width though. You can actually make it thicker and thinner. So I'm going to go next with this one. And another one. And a smaller one. What you're going to do then is come up with some ideas to put inside. You can even do around the edge, freehand, different ideas. It could be rings, it could be loops, it could be points, it could be triangular shapes. You can keep going. Remember, you want enough space, big sections, because we're going to be using a paintbrush and we're going to paint white over this. So I want you to think about what different ideas you can repeat over and over again. And keep it big enough because you're going to be painting with a small brush, but you don't want it so tiny that it becomes really hard to paint with a brush. So think about your painting and whether you'll be able to do it or not with a paintbrush. So your lines are super duper tiny. You want them nice and big. So maybe I'll do like a starburst. You can even add on rings as you go. I might even add one more big one that's free-handed so that it takes up half of that page, and maybe I'll do some lines off the edge. When you have all of yours done, you're going to put it in your colored folder, and then the next time we're in class together, we will be using white paint to go over our lines. The time after that, we will be adding color. All right, thank you so much for listening.